Welcome to my very first episode of Nick's Picks. This is going to be a regular series on IG, and I'm going to be bringing you every Thursday at 3 p.m. my 5 favorite picks of the week, and every product is going to have a great discount. The whole purpose of this is that I really wanted to bring value to you guys and give you something that you could be excited about. You will not find these discounts anywhere else. I'm working with brands to specifically have them give these discounts to you. So this really is all about you guys. So I hope you have as much fun and enjoy the tips and the products that I introduce you to. There's going to be a range of topics, and so each week there might be a theme. It might be a bit of fashion, a bit of beauty, a bit of lifestyle. As many of you know, I am a former national magazine beauty editor, so I really got my start testing tons of products, whatever the latest was out there. I still do that. I do a lot of TV segments on fashion and beauty, so I figured why not curate a list for you. I'll do all the homework, I'll test all the products, and then I'll let you know what is worth it, and I'm going to hook you up with a great discount. So if you want, you can get a little bit of a pad of paper so you can mark down all of the discount details. The code for everything that I feature, the discount code, will be Beauty Girl. So all you need to know is that one code, Beauty Girl, and it will apply to everything. And afterward, I am going to post this into my IGTV series, so you can always go back, check it out, and then use those same codes. Okay, so let's get started. The very first discount that I want to talk to you about is one of these products that you may have seen me talk a lot about before on stories. Wander Beauty is a great clean beauty brand that was started by 2 women, and actually one of them is a former Victoria's Secret supermodel, and the whole premise behind it is that they wanted to create simple but effective clean products that are great for when you're on the go. So a lot of them have 2 sides. They're just smart packaging, and I'm a huge fan. I use a lot of the products, so I'm going to show you a couple that I personally am using and loving right now, and that I think that many of you will benefit from. The first one is their concealer and highlighter. It's a double-ended stick, and I feel like, I don't know, it's just, who doesn't need a good under-eye concealer? Maybe I'll put a little bit on just to show you. And I like to put it in the corners, and then you just blend it out. It is creamy. It comes in a few different skin tones. I'm wearing light in case anyone's curious. And it takes away all of the shadows. The other side is a highlighter. Maybe I'll put some of that on too. So it's just a really pretty highlighter with a slight shimmer, and I just dab it in along my upper cheekbones, and it is a beautiful product. So hopefully this 2-in-1 can be helpful for you, and you can enjoy it as much as me. They also have other products, like this is a blush on one end, a cream blush, and a glow on the other end, and they have under a eye mask. I thought that was really relevant right now. So Wander Beauty, who's ready for the code? The code for Wander Beauty, it's their website, wanderbeauty.com. You get 20% off anything through August 31st. They were so amazing to offer this, so it's 20% off through August 31st. You can get it on their website. And I wanted to really mention the brand right now specifically because they are doing, for every purchase of a full-size skincare, hair, or body essential, they're donating their Good to Go mini essentials kit to a healthcare hero through April 3rd. So you have like a day to purchase and they'll give back, and I love that. Okay, let's move on to product number 2 of my Nick's Picks. And this is from a smaller brand that I wanted to introduce you to, and the brand is called Attention. This is so relevant right now because so many people are looking for hand sanitizers, and you can't find them. But here's a really clever way to get a hand sanitizer and a makeup product in one, and that's with Attention Beauty. I'm going to show you what they have. Their makeup sanitizer mist. Now this is a mist that you can put on brushes, you can put it on palettes, I'm going to just show you on the brush too, because it really, it sanitizes it and it gets the product out. So you can see that. You can put it on palettes and it will clean your cream or powder makeup. It's really versatile, but it's made with it's a clean product. It has 70% alcohol, which is what we need in our hand sanitizers right now with the coronavirus. So use this as well as a hand sanitizer and you will be set. So the discount code for Attention Beauty, it's 20% off, again, with the code BEAUTYGIRL through April 14th at midnight. So I really hope you enjoy this. Okay, and their website is attentionbeauty.com. It's ATTN beauty.com. Moving on, NYX Picks number 3. This is a product I wanted to introduce you to because it's a smaller brand created by a woman based in Chicago, and it's very clever. It's one of those, why didn't I think of that? And this falls into more of the organizational category. This product is called Lasso, and it is this container which was made in order to help you organize your cords, your necklaces, so they don't get all tangled, which has happened to me. So I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can use this because it is a clever product. The first way is you can see that just as an example, I put my necklace around, I did it that way, and then I also stored one of my rings. So each side of this lasso has a container that it can hold items for storage. Okay, so this is one. The other is this lasso, and this one I was showing you how you can store it for like your quartz. So you just start it right there, close the top, wrap it around, and then you don't have to worry about the tangling anymore. So I think that when we do get to start traveling again, going to the gym, what have you, see, it's just like I did this a little messy, but you get the picture, and it's a great storage solution. Really smart product. So the code for Lasso, you get 20% off for 30 days. Again, with the code BEAUTYGIRL. The website is shoplasso, LASSO.com. Okay, now we are on our 4th product, which is the Thermaderm lip serum. So this is a nice 3-in-1. I always like a good lip serum. What's nice about this is that it's very moisturizing. So I'm just going to put a little bit on. You can see it's a clear serum. It goes on comfortably. You can put it around your mouth too. So it helps with plumping your lips. My lips are pretty full, as you can see, so I can't really speak to that as much. But if you do have a little bit of fine lines around your mouth or deal with lipstick bleeding, this is supposed to help with that as well. I personally love it because it's so moisturizing and it feels so good. So you can wear it on its own. You could put it over lipstick. So this is from Thermaderm. And they're also doing a discount on their peptide repair eye cream, and who doesn't need a good under eye cream right now? So you can get 20% off their anti-aging lip complex or their eye cream through April 30th, and their website is thermaderm.net. So that is NYX pick number 4. Okay, now on to our final pick. If anyone has any questions, let me know. My final pick for this week is, ta-da! It's a new beauty brand that just launched called Roemer Skincare. This is, again, a small company developed by a woman, and the whole purpose behind this is that she was looking for clean but effective products that were simple, and she just couldn't find it. So she created her own line. It is a cleanser, it is a moisturizer, and a mask. What I like about this is that if you're quarantined right now with a buddy or a male, this is a unisex product, so you can share this. And the products have a nice kind of eucalyptus, pepperminty scent, almost with an essential oil aroma to it, which is really lovely. And the packaging is actually sustainable. So 50% of the product is with recycled material, which, you know, it's just a nice thing to see that new companies are coming out and they're being really thoughtful about the planet. So just to review all of the, oh, and then for the discount code, it is 20% off through April, and it's roemerskincare.com. Okay, so now I'm going to review all 5 of my NYX picks. Okay, let's get going. Number 1, Wander Beauty, 20% off through August 31st. 2, Attention Beauty, 20% off through April 14th. 3, Lasso, 20% off for the next 30 days. And then Thermaderm, which is 20% off through April 30th. And finally, Roemer Skincare, which is 20% off through the end of April. I really hope that you guys enjoyed all of these wonderful products that I'm so excited to introduce you to. This was the first episode of NYX Picks. I think my boys maybe wanted to come and say hi. Did you boys want to come and say hi? So we'll let them come in and say hi. I really appreciate it. Thank you everyone for watching. Send me any questions, tips, things that you want to see. This really is for you guys, and so I hope that you found value and had fun watching.